Are you wondering if these newest Samsung Smart TVs have got a Google Play Store and how can you download apps and games on these TVs? So first, when it comes to Google Play Store, I have some bad news. These newest Samsung TVs running the Tizen OS actually do not have the Google Play Store. So instead, the Samsung TVs have their own app market, so that is provided by the Samsung. And in my opinion, the Samsung Store isn't obviously nowhere as advanced and as vast as the Google Play Store that you get on the other TVs. So again, it's maybe like maximum 20% of what the Google Play Store has. So I think that's quite a negative thing. So yeah, for example, if you want to download and get some games, so you would simply go on the top here and you have a bunch of games here that you can find. If you want to download some apps, you would simply go in the app section here. As see again, there is some suggested apps. If you go down, I see you have a bunch of categories from the apps that you can choose. So for example, you can go there and yeah, download some apps, see what you like. Okay, if you're wondering where is the search function, so the search function is right over here. So it's this TV has got this newest one has got universal search function. If you want to find new apps to download, you simply have to go here in the search. So again, it's kind of confusing when you first get it, but yeah. So you simply go up and then you get access to the like input. For example, let's just type in something here. Okay. It will pull up all the results for that search term. Okay, and you want to simply scroll down till you see the app category here, and it found basically all the apps related to that search term. So if you want to basically, yeah, just download something, so click on it and click install. So it will get installed on your TV. So let's wait a bit. Okay. And then you see you can open it or add to home. So let's click add to home, for example. And then you can place that app here on your home screen somewhere. So place it wherever you want and you can now quickly, for example, launch that app now. Okay, you like.